Hello guys, I am Togida Rahimu and today I am going to show you how to join Microsoft Cloud Skill Challenge 24. What is Microsoft Cloud Skill Challenge? This is a challenge hosted by Microsoft Learn. They make a modules and you have just need to register for this event and complete these modules. If you complete these modules, then you will get a LinkedIn Premium voucher and Microsoft logo t-shirt or cap. Now I will go to show you how you can join this event. This is our event link. I have already opened a challenge and this challenge is already 9 days left to end. And here, this is our event challenge. We click it. And the challenge began 9 days left. Many of you don't understand how to join and register for this event. Today I'm going to show you how can you join this event. For your better understanding, I have to choose this challenge and show you how you can join in this challenge. You have need to click sign in. If you already have a Microsoft account, then just give it. If you don't, then click create one. I have already a Microsoft account. This isn't they show me, but if you don't, then you first create it. Here, when you fill up the registration form using this mail, you have also need to give this mail also in there. Then you just need to create a password. Give first name and give surname. Then click next, and in your Gmail account they will give you a code. Look guys, they given me a code. You just need to copy it and paste in there. Then it show you are signing this account, then just click next, and here you give your profile name. Using this name will providing you a certificate. Click next. Choose your region. Click next. When you complete these steps, you get a certification profile. You will get a Microsoft profile. They will tracking your modules completion, and if you complete it, then you will get a certificate, and if you are lucky, then you will get a this Microsoft logo design t-shirt and cap. After completing your uh, modules in 13 days, we'll providing you this gifts. Then just need to click yes. And then click view profile, and this is your profile. And guys, this is your Microsoft profile. You have first need to open it, and then again when and click this join link, you can join in there. Now look, there is your profile, and now just click join the challenge. And that's the call the Leaderboard. You can see in this challenge 34 participants participate, and they have a total modules 13, and these are show the all people's name who is completed this challenge, and those complete the full challenge they get a digital budget. And look, these that people are not complete all the modules, this they cannot get. You have get 13 days to complete this challenge. You don't need to be hurry learning. Look, there is a time 16 or 14 minutes, but you don't. But almost every people don't need this time. You just need to go and just click it. There is start and they told you to start. You just need to click it. If you want, then you can read it. But if you think you have already know this, then you just click continue. You don't want to, you have already know this, or you don't want to read this, then you just need to click continue. Continue. If you want to complete this task earlier, then you just need to click continue. Their just main motive to know you that this latest technology is for global world. This is the MCQ part of these modules. If you already read the modules or not read the modules, it doesn't. If we give a wrong answer, it doesn't count as a negative. We just give the answer. Now just check the answers. Here one and here two answers are incorrect, but it's not count as a negative. This is just for basic learning. And after then we just click complete modules. And this is the achievement what we learn, and if we want we can share this in our social media, this platform. We just need to click it and share it. After completing it, we can see that in this profile it shows us we have completed level 1, and this is these points added it in our profile. In this one we can see here is it show we have completed and we get a one budget. Modules they show us we have completed, and then we can get a check mark on there. If we go back, then we can see here is the 60% complete of these modules. When 100% is completed, we can see in here completing these modules. We can see our name in here, and we have already completed one task, and it takes some time to update it. Don't need to be panic. When we have completed all modules, then we'll get this digital budget. In here you can see modules you have completed, and this same way you have just need to complete other modules, and when you complete the full modules, then you will get a digital budget like this. But if you just on learning start now, then you don't get this budget now, and it just show you how many modules you have completed in this time. In our profile we can see one budget is completed, and here is the show. Here they show how many modules we have completed and what's the percentage. I will also giving my link in this description box. And thank you for all to watching these videos, and if you face any problems, you just ask in our email address.